Hello children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. And for class 3 children, today I am making you to explain textual exercises. Yes, so from lesson number 2, the earth our home. Okay, so in the last class I already explained you the lesson, the earth our home. Yes, today I am making you to do textual reading. So all of them take pencil and all of them open page number 210. Take pencil and point the pencil where I am reading. Okay, so now the earth is home to all living things. This is because it is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. About 3/4 of the earth is covered by water, 1/4 of it is covered by land. It has the right temperature needed by all living things to live. Yes, so children, already earth is the place where we are living. The planet on the planet where we are living is earth. Okay, we are living on the planet earth. So this earth is surrounded with a layer of air called atmosphere. Okay, so underline the word atmosphere, atmosphere, atmosphere. Okay, so about 3/4 of the earth is covered by water and 1/4 of the earth is covered by land. It has the right temperature, underline the word temperature, temperature, temperature needed by all living things to live. Next, shape of the earth. For a very long time people thought that the earth was flat and had edges. About 500 years ago, Ferdinand Magellan and his crew started from Spain on a long sea journey. They kept sailing in one direction. After nearly 3 years, they reached the sample place from where they had started. This proved that the earth is round like a ball. In fact, the earth is round like an orange, slightly flat at the top and bottom. Yes, so I already said that in the olden days, in the ancient time, people believed that earth is flat. But Ferdinand Magellan, okay, so a scientist, he started his crew from Spain on a long sea. He started journey on the long sea. Okay, next soon he proved that after 3 years he reached the same place and he proved that earth is not flat in shape, it is like spherical in shape and it is just like a ball, and in fact it is round like an orange. See, if you know the orange fruit, how it will be, it is round, but top and the bottom is slightly flat. Yes, so in the same way earth is also. Okay, so next, globes and maps. What are globes and maps? The earth is very big. We cannot see the entire earth at a time. Therefore, we have to make a model to study it. This model is called a globe. A globe is very useful to us. A globe is very useful to study the different places on earth. However, it is not possible to show all the places on a small globe. On the other hand, a huge globe will be difficult to carry. These problems can be solved if we use maps. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it. Maps can be big or small. A book of maps is called an atlas. Underline the word atlas. Okay. Next, do you have one? Sometimes we use very large maps. They are hang on walls. Such maps are called wall maps. Okay, children. So why we globe? This is the globe. Okay. So why we use this globe? To study about the earth. Okay, so but it is very difficult to carry everywhere. That is the reason we started using maps. So a book of maps is called to be as atlas. Okay, next, if you see here, this is a map, this is a globe. So these we use for studying about the earth. Okay, Now turn the page. Here, directions on a map. You know that there are 4 directions. Yes, we have how many directions? We have 4 main directions, that is north, south, east, west and west. So, underline these words. We locate places on a map using these directions. Yes, so directions means main directions. When we hear the word direction, we mainly remember east, west, north and south. So, these are the main directions which we use to see the directions. Okay. So, in early times, sailors used a compass to, underline the word compass, compass to find their way while sailing. So, this is compass. Okay. So, we can find directions using a compass. So, in the olden days, in ancient times, early times, people, sailors mainly who sail the boat, they use this compass to know the direction. Okay. So, a compass looks like a watch. So, it is looking like a watch, yes. So, it has a needle which always points to the north. Once you know where north is, you can find the other directions. So, always this compass is going to point towards the north. Okay. So, once if we know where is the north, automatically we will know the other directions. Okay. So, which always points to the north. Once you know where north is, you can find the other directions. Yes, once we know the one direction, then the other we can know easily. Okay. Next, oceans and continents. What are oceans and continents? Oceans are nothing but as large water bodies are called to be as oceans, large land masses are called to be as continents. So, our earth is divided into 2 parts, that is land and water. So, large water bodies we called it as oceans and large land masses are called to be as continents. Very large bodies of water are called 5 oceans. So, on the earth there are 5 oceans that are very large water bodies. There are 5 oceans: the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, underline these words: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic or Southern Ocean. Okay. Next, Arctic Ocean. Yes, so these are the 5 main oceans on the world. Next, these smaller water bodies are called seas, rivers and lakes. So, very large water bodies are called to be as oceans. These smaller water bodies on the earth are called to be as seas, rivers and lakes. Next, large areas of land are called continents. In the same way, large land areas are called to be as continents. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Okay. Sea map for their location. If we stand on top of a high building, we can see the sky and the land or the sea meeting. Yes. So, if you stand, so these are the 7 continents, children: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, Antarctica. Okay. So, these are the continents which we see on the map. Okay. Sea map. If you see this map, here you will find all the continents. See here: North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Okay. In the same way, oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, next Indian Ocean, next Antarctic Ocean, okay, Antarctic Ocean, next Arctic Ocean. So, these are the 5 main oceans. Yes. Now, turn the page. Here next, second one, for their location. So, if we stand on top of a high building. Imagine that if you stand on a building, we can see the sky and the land or the sea meeting at a distance. So, if we stand on a building and if we watch far from there, so how it looks, the far place, like sky and the land and the sky is going to meet, we will see, yes. So, but it won't meet, it never meets, sky and the land never meets, but it looks like it meets. In the same way, sea also, sea and the water, sea and the sky is going to, if we see standing beside the sea and if we observe long, there also we will observe the same, sky and the sea are both together, they are going to meet, but it won't, yes. So, the place where they appear to meet is called the horizon. So, that appearance, we call that appearance as horizon, H-O-R-I-Z-O-N, horizon. If we move towards the horizon, the sky and the land appears to move further away. So, if we start moving towards the horizon, the sky and the land appear to move further away, yes. The place where the land and the sea meet is called coast. So, the place where the land and the sky is going to meet, that is called to be as horizon. So, the place where the land and the sea meet is called coast. See here, this is coastal area, yes. So, this is about all, this is all about today's class, children. Hope all you have understand. So, see you in the next class, children. Take care.